Hello Liz, this is Dave Pfeiffer. I'm going to try to take a video of this application with the nut compression limiter and explain it to you. This is a bracket. I'm going to lay it on the floor of my office. I apologize. This actually bolts onto the back of the Chrysler Jeep Cherokee, and the rear fascia with all the foam support actually gets bolted to this bolster support for the rear bumper assembly, and it actually gets assembled in this direction, and the bracket gets bolted to the face of the nut on this side, not on the hex side of the nut, of course, because it's depressed into the molding. The division of Magna that we're working with molds this whole assembly, and then they mechanically press 3 of these nuts into this molding. There's a knurl on the nut, and you'll see it on the drawing. And that it's just intended, the design is simply intended to retain the nut in this molding while this bracket is shipped in transit to the Chrysler assembly plant. Once it's in the assembly plant, Chrysler mounts the bumper fascia to this and drives a bolt into it. And then, of course, as soon as there's clamp load generated, it retains the nut into the assembly. We can change Magna owns the design on this, not Chrysler, so we can change anything we want as long as it's not an expensive change to the molding tool. So what's low cost would be the core pins to form this round hole in the molded area. What's expensive would be if we needed to change the hex portion of the mold cavity, and the only purpose for the hex, that hex is free floating, and it's to prevent rotation in either the on or off direction. But Magna really does not want to change the hex shape profile if they don't have to. One additional opportunity that we have, and I'm going to try and show you this. I don't know if I can. When Magna stakes the nut into the assembly, it pushes up a plastic flash around this, and of course this is the bearing surface, so they have someone full-time doing nothing but scraping the plastic flash off from the knurl as it pushes material forward. So we have an opportunity to save quite a bit of money. We can eliminate an entire body at the point of assembly. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please do call me or email, and I'll get you as much information as we can. We are currently working on a couple of different proposals, and hopefully you can help. Thank you.